Let's talk about your POS options. First, there's the traditional POS, powerful but expensive. Then, there are tablet systems, convenient but limited. It's time for a solution where nothing is compromised. Echo from Harbortouch. Harbortouch Echo combines the benefits of a traditional POS system with the simplicity and sleekness of a tablet system. Forget consumer tablets. Echo runs on powerful 13.3-inch purpose-built hardware to meet the demands of your business. And the software is customized to deliver all of the functionality you need. Customers can even sign right on the screen. Plus, with remote cloud-based reporting and POS management, you can control your business without being tied to your business. Harbortouch's free POS program delivers the lowest cost on the market. There's no charge for the hardware or software, and a low monthly fee covers everything else. The lifetime warranty provides free equipment replacement if you ever have an issue. Echo is designed to be future-proof, able to scale with your business, and ready for whatever alternative payments your customers want to use. For more information on the perfect POS solution, contact Harbortouch today.